Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check whether your laptop uses a 2, 5 SATA bay or an M, 2 NVMe slot, and note the physical size. Once done, back up your drive to an external disk so nothing is lost during the swap. Make sure you have a screwdriver, the right cable or standoff, and either a bootable OS USB or cloning tool. You want power stable, so plug into AC and disable sleep in settings before opening the case. You now install the physical drive. Remove the panel, ground yourself, slide the SSD into the M2 slot or fit the 2, 5 drive in its tray and secure it. If cloning, connect the Sandisk externally and run your cloning software, then verify partitions were copied correctly. If doing a fresh OS, boot the installer USB, pick Custom Install, and target the new SSD. Make sure to delete old partitions. If migrating a clean, you finish by entering UEFI/BIOS, setting the Sandisk SSD as the primary boot device, and switching to OSI when moving from older controllers. This improves performance. Once booted, install drivers, enable trim, and run Sandisk's firmware updater for reliability. Make sure to run Windows Disk Management to initialize and format if necessary. If the drive isn't recognized, reseat it, retry the adapter, and update BIOS. Those steps fix most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.